Let's set up bi-directional webhook for the GitHub spoke. From the All menu, navigate to GitHub webhook registries under GitHub webhooks. Then we'll select New. On the form, we'll fill in the fields. Let's enter a unique name to identify the record. Then right-click the form header and click Save. And then select Callback URL. The system displays the webhook callback URL and webhook secret. We'll copy these two and save for the next steps. Next, we'll log into our GitHub account. From here, we'll select Settings. And then from the Webhooks menu, we'll select Add Webhooks. On the form, we'll input the payload URL, which is the webhook callback URL we previously generated. Then we can select our content type, and finally input our secret we previously generated. When satisfied with our setup, we'll select Add Webhook. Default subflows are shipped along with the spoke, and you can create a copy of the required subflow and customize it according to your requirements. This customized subflow will be used later in the routing policy. For information about creating a copy of a subflow, see the Workflow Studio documentation. Next, we'll customize a bi-directional webhook in the GitHub spoke. From the All menu, navigate to GitHub Webhook Routing Policies under GitHub Webhooks. Then we'll select New. On the form, we'll fill in the fields. We'll give the record a label, and then we'll create the condition we want to follow. It's optional to select the default answer checkbox. Default answer is applicable when the conditions are not met. In this demo, we'll select it. Then we'll choose a subflow that has to be triggered when the specified conditions are met. The subflow copy that was previously created and customized should be selected here. And finally, select Submit. The routing policy and subflow are now created.